Meaning of everyone.
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 Everyone. Everyone refers to all people, regardless of age, gender, race, or any other distinguishing characteristic. It is a collective term that encompasses the entire human population, or a specific group of people. The term is often used in a general sense to refer to a large and diverse group of individuals. It carries a connotation of inclusivity, emphasizing that all people are equal and should be treated with respect. From a societal standpoint, the concept of everyone is a cornerstone of many cultural, political, and philosophical systems that seek to promote equality and fairness for all members of society.